to go back over there. You need to go to the march over there.
David, why are you protecting me? David, why are you doing it? Wait in the street! Wait in the street!
Give me one statement that Donald Trump has said that is a racist statement that it can be classed as racist. Please, someone, anyone. So why has he been convicted in the criminal court? You've got a child with you. I'm not engaged. You've got a child with you. You shouldn't have done that. What's that, mate? What's that? Yeah, he made that money. Is he not as a man that made his own money? What's wrong with that? I run a business. I've made my own money. So what? No, thank you. God bless you, sir. Communist with that hat on, clearly. What's that, mate? You're talking to your phone. Do you want to talk to me? You want to talk? Oh, you don't want to talk. One thing that Trump said that's racist. Anyone? Anyone that's part of the march? Anyone? One thing. You're all holding signs saying Trump is a racist.
Yes.
But yet not one person here can tell me what he said.
He said Mexicans are all rapists. He said the neo-Nazis were good people.
No, he didn't, and that's a lie.
He did
No,
say
he didn't.
that.
It's been fact checked, and
That
you know.
is not
No.
fact checked by
Anyone
one
wants to
country.
fact check?
He
Did
said
Trump say
absolutely
white
in
supremacists?
America.
Give me the fact.
That
Come here.
the
Prove it to
Charlottesville
you. Come here. I'll show you to you.
protesters were
ChatGPT. ChatGPT.
ChatGPT is a bunch of crap. ChatGPT is not
Did Trump
accurate.
say white supremacists are good people? Please fact check. Don't walk away.
He
Don't
said
walk away.
Charlie Kirk is a good. He's half masked for Charlie Kirk. Charlie Kirk is racist.
No, you never said that. For the cameras, she just stated that Donald Trump said. You
Garbage.
said Donald Trump said white supremacists are good people. I fact checked it. That's a lie. Come again.
You know what?
Anyone else?
I agree with him about the police, about the immigration, but I not agree with him about the tariff on my country.
Absolutely.
No?
Rightly so. You're allowed to do that. And I
not agree with
listen,
tariffs.
Tariffs, unfortunately, he's a businessman.
We're
Not
supposed to
great.
fight back, but many countries they don't fight back.
Listen, totally
We're
agree.
supposed to respond in same measure with him.
Yeah.
Okay, if you impose our tariff, we should
that's-
fight back
yeah,
with the
I
tariff.
agree, but that's
I'm
not
agree with
racist,
him
yeah?
about the
That's not racist.
immigration.
Yeah.
He's right to do
Say that the
this.
Charlottesville protesters, that there were very evil people on both sides, referring to the Charlottesville protesters who were overtly neo-Nazi.
Did not say. You stated a fact. You said Trump said white supremacists are good people. Did he say that? Yes or no?
He said the
No.
Charlottesville
Did he
protesters-
say
Oh,
white
please.
supremacists are good people?
That
Did he
is
say?
such-
Okay, point proven. Next.
Oh, that is not.
Did he
what
say it or not?
That
Did he
is-
say it or not?
He
Did
said
he say it or not?
I will quote you
No,
what
no,
he
you
said.
quoted yourself. Let me quote you.
Look.
She said She said Trump said white supremacists are good people. It's not true, is it?
You know what? That's
Oh,
not debating.
oh.
You're not debating.
No, I
you
am.
are
I'm talking.
parsing in a way that is
You
not
tried
true.
to lie about the President of
I
the United
did not
States.
try and
You
lie.
just said that the President of the United States said that
What
white
is
supremacists are
your
good people.
investment
That's a
in
lie.
the President of the
And I-
United
you know what?
States?
I'm so glad we
What is
debated.
your
What?
investment in the President of the United States? You are
No,
not living.
I'm an
I am a
Englishman.
brown
I
woman
care about my
living
country. I
in
care
the
about
US.
England. I don't care about Israel. I care about the children
And so
that are
why
dying
are you
around the world. That's
sitting
right.
here- Why are you sitting here arguing
For Charlie
about
Kirk.
whether
For Charlie
or
Kirk.
not Charlie Kirk isn't an Englishman either,
No.
right? No, he was a person
He was
who
Trump's
outright
friend.
said that
Trump's friend.
black women
He
do
was
not
Trump's
have
friend.
the brain processing
Didn't
power.
say that. Let's do it.
He did.
Should we fact check? Should we check that?
He fact
Okay.
said it, and it's
Did Trump-
available on Charlie Kirk said. This is garbage. Charlie Kirk
No,
said-
Trump never said that. That claim
Charlie
appears everywhere
Kirk
in his
said-
speeches. Doesn't appear anywhere in his
This guy is
speeches.
a-
Does it
this
say
guy
that or
is-
not? In the camera, does it say? What does it say, sir?
Did I say that
No,
Trump
he
said
didn't say it. Okay, so
Did I
the
say that
brainwashing-
Trump said it,
the
or did I
brainwashing
say
is
that
clear.
Charlie Kirk
This
said
lady
it?
has stated two massive facts.
In fact,
dick pics to people that he took from.
Let's go. Yeah.
No, I ain't saying me. What are you wearing? Greece? You're in Greece.
Huh? Yeah, let's go. Well, we have to respect them. Yeah, we are. Listen to me. We are here. I'm not worried. Listen to me. You saw the incident that happened in America. Listen to me. We're not scared. What I'm saying, we are law and order people. These men in uniform, we need to respect them. So, yeah, we need to respect them. We promote law and order. So,
Can't be weak.
No, we're not weak. It's not weakness. Listen to me. It's not weakness. Let's go back. They're giving us where to stay. Yeah, please. That's what. Please. Yes, let's go back. There's your place. Yes, right.
I don't want. I was there on Saturday.
Listen to me. Law and order. Law and order. Let's go. Yeah.
I'm on a mission.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, no trouble.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Take
Let's
care,
go.
guys. Take care. Can we just park on the sea so I can see?
As you know, we promote law and order, and the men in uniform are trying to stop us from countering these guys' protest. And we need to respect them.
What was he white? Donald Trump, what was he white on?
It's very Trump. This is very historic. Historic. Trump is the first second president to be.
What did he do to America?
Sorry,
To America?
I'm British,
Oh, okay.
and that's what they call special relationship.
Oh, so you're British, I thought.
Yeah. So what I'm saying, in nutshell, that we are here to counter this protest, and you have to respect the officers, and then
Let's beat them down. There's no one here at the moment. We just
thank you. Let's go back.